So let's break them down, each of the strategies step by step, so you can start using them straight away. First off, mindfulness exercises. Just start your day with 5 minutes of focused breathing. Just find a quiet spot. All you have to do is close your eyes and take some deep breaths in. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and then exhale slowly through 4 through pursed lips. And this simple exercise can help to calm your mind and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. You can also incorporate mindfulness throughout the day. For instance, before a big meeting, just take a minute to start breathing deeply and center yourself, just the same as all sportsmen do. And what about the time management hacks? The Eisenhower matrix is a game changer. You divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on the important tasks and delegate or defer the rest. This helps you stay on top of what truly matters without getting bogged down by the less critical tasks. What about some quick relaxation techniques? They are another essential tool. When you're feeling stress building up, just take a quick 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, or just go out for a short walk. These brief moments of physical activity can help you clear your mind and reduce your stress. And additionally, why not try some progressive muscle relaxation? Start from your toes, tense each muscle group for a few seconds, then release, and work your way all the way up to your head. This not only relaxes your muscles, but also helps you become more aware of physical tension. And let's talk about maintaining these habits. Consistency is key. Why not set some reminders on your phone to take these breaks and practice mindfulness? And why not share these techniques with some of your team to create a supportive environment where everyone can manage stress better? And by integrating these strategies into your daily routine, you'll start to see improvements in your stress levels, productivity, and even your overall well-being. And they're not just quick fixes, they're sustainable practices that can lead to lasting change. And I know a lot of you are saying you don't have the time or the energy. Well, look, a lot of these strategies only take 5 minutes each.